The SINGER Quantum Stylist 9960 is a computerized sewing machine that offers a vast array of 600 built-in stitches, making it suitable for a wide range of sewing projects. This machine includes an automatic needle threader and a top drop-in bobbin system, which significantly reduces setup time and ensures a smooth sewing experience. With 13 fully automatic one-step buttonhole styles and built-in lettering fonts, this sewing machine allows for personalized and professional sewing projects. The adjustable sewing speed and start-stop button provide convenient control, making it easier to handle both simple and complex sewing tasks without a foot pedal. An extension table and bright LED lighting offer ample workspace and visibility, ideal for managing large projects like quilts with precision. Reaching a maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute, the SINGER 9960 combines high-speed performance with advanced features like the needle up-down function for enhanced creativity.